Hello everyone. Today let's see how to use indirect function in Excel. So first of all, what does it do? This function converts a plain piece of text which look like a cell address into a usable cell reference. The address can be either on the same worksheet or on a different worksheet. So first of all, let's create a table. So I'm going to create a table here. Jan, Feb, and March. North, south, east, and west. And going to enter the value of north for gen column. I'm going to use 20, 40, 50, 70, 20, 30, 50, and 80, 40 for the March, 50, 60, 90. Okay, so basically this is the table. Okay, so we have a table. Okay, this is the table, and I'm going to use the indirect function here. So first of all, here type address of any of the cell. Type address of any of the cell. Okay, so I'm going to use here, going to type or D5. Okay, so here D5. Okay, now I'm going to use indirect function. So the value in this cell you typed is the value in this cell you typed is what we have typed. Okay, what we have typed here, I'm going to use for that the indirect function. So indirect, enter D5 means this one. Close the parenthesis, press enter. As you can see, we got the 30 of D5 address. As you can see, we have a D5 here, so we got the 30. If I will change the value of this, then it will be different. Like I'm going to use of D6, so we got the 50 of D6, right? If I will change the cell address, like I'm going to use the E6, so we will get the 60 here. Yeah, and if the value in the, now I'm going to use different worksheet cell address. So we have a cell 2 sheet 2 here, so I'm going to write here 120, and the cell is D7. Okay, I'm going to here, first of all you have to write sheet 2 exclamation and D7, press enter. As you can see, we got the 120 of sheet 2, right? So the address can be either on the same worksheet or on a different worksheet. So I recently used 120 value of sheet 2. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video.